Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Sugar Lumps cookie clicker step by step. Begin by focusing on increasing CPS through farms and time machines while clicking actively. Aim for consistent golden cookie chains and watch minigames closely for bonus opportunities. Save Sugar Lumps for crucial building upgrades that yield long-term benefits, and always consider when to ascend for heavenly chips to accelerate future progress. Start by checking if your current run yields diminishing returns compared to ascending for permanent boosts like heavenly chips. Balance active play with an idle farm setup that still gains cookies while away. Prioritize upgrades that multiply building efficiency and save Sugar Lumps for pivotal upgrades or prestige milestones to maximize long-term progress and progression speed in future runs. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like. It really helps the channel and keeps more tutorials coming. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for setting bake timers, ambient music, and hands-free commands while you play. I use it during long idle sessions to keep track of resets and events. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on marginal gains by comparing how many cookies each upgrade contributes to CPS before buying. Employ auto-clickers cautiously and tune them for steady gains without wasting resources. Watch for upgrade thresholds that make ascension more profitable and plan resets around them. Save rare Sugar Lumps for upgrades that unlock disproportionately large benefits, and review your stats often to refine choices and timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.